In this video, I'll be going over how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. The formula looks something like this. 2 times the area of the base plus rectangle number 1, rectangle number 2, and rectangle number 3. And these are the 3 rectangles. And this is base number 1, and this is base number 2. This figure here is the triangular prism, whereas this is the unfolded version of the triangular prism. And they are both here to show you how we determine the surface area. By looking at the unfolded version, we would take 2 times the area of one base, which would give us the total surface area of the 2 triangular bases. Next, we will need to find out the area of rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3 and add them together. And that's how we will find the total surface area. So, the first step is to find the area of the triangle base. And the area for that, for a triangle, is 1/2 base times height. So in this example, the base is 5 and the height is 4. So it would be 1/2 4 times 5. Then it would be 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer will be 20 over 2, which is 10 feet square. So this 10 feet square is the area of one of these triangles. Now we need to times that by 2, so that way we will have the total area of the 2 bases. So we take 2 times by 10, and that will give us 20 feet square. So with that, we've completed this portion. Next, we need to find the rectangle number 1. So rectangle 1 here is equivalent to the rectangle here. And we can see 8 times 5. So we'll write it here. 8 feet times 5 is 40. So that's 40 feet square. So we'll add it here. So that takes care of this one. Now what about this one? This one would be the same because it's also 8 feet times by 5. So we would just add 40 feet square. And that takes care of rectangle number 3. Now the middle portion, we know the base of that triangle was 5 feet. So this is 5, and this is 8. So again, 5 times 8 is 40. So we will also add another 40 feet square here. And that takes care of rectangle number 2. So there we've covered the surface area of the entire triangular prism. And remember, this isn't the volume of the triangular prism, but the surface area, which means it's only the outside cover of a triangular prism. And you may think of it close similar in this concept like it's the wrapping paper wrap around a triangular prism. That's what you're trying to find out. Not the actual volume, but the surface area. So the last part would just be adding them all together. So we have 20 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, 140 feet square. And that will be your surface area of this triangular prism. So this is the example of how you will find surface area of triangular prism. We also have other surface area tutorials, and you can find them in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.